press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update.
Good morning YouTube, this is TR all the way from Hyderabad, especially for you guys. How are you all? Hope all are doing well. Actually it is 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so good afternoon. Anything man, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Okay, so how are you all? Hope all are doing well. I'm back with another motor vlog. So guys, you people, have you watched Dino's Vault Motorbikers Anthem till now or not? If you haven't watched it, just head out to his channel and just watch that video and listen the audio. As you people, motovloggers and my subscribers who love motorbikes, you people haven't seen yet means how can a common people can listen or how can reach that video up to the common people. You have to watch that, you have to listen that audio, and you have to share the video to the youth, motorbikers, everyone else. Song was, I'm truly, honestly and heartfully telling you, that song was kick-ass. The beat especially, that was a awesome beat, mass masala beat. Traffic became terrific in Hyderabad day by day. And guys, please listen the song in proper speakers. I mean to say, listen the song with our good headphones or earphones, or in a woofer, subwoofer, or in a home theater system. Then only you will feel the actual beat. Why I am telling this is, recently 2 days before I went some place to drop my parents somewhere in Hyderabad. When I was coming back to my home, I just opened the YouTube and I started listening in my car with subwoofer. By the way, if you people aware or not aware, I am having a subwoofer in my car. So I was listening the song in my subwoofer. Seriously guys, I felt like I just wanted to dance on that particular song, you know. After the lyric, come on do the motor dance, come on do the motor dance. After that, whatever the music will come, that will shake your body. Actually, I have to give my bike for servicing on at 9,000 kilometers, but it is still at 8,370 kilometers. But I don't know why my bike is feeling like it's badly need a servicing. So hope to give my bike for servicing on coming Sunday. I'm not sure if I am free, then I'll definitely give. Otherwise, Monday or Tuesday I'll give. have took my lunch here in Sri Sai Family Dhaba. Sri Sai Family Dhaba, and it's going to be rain. Already it is starting. Look at the clouds and very windy over here. I just have to get out of this place, and it is starting. Oh my god, it started raining, man. Shit. And I'm taking shelter in this hut. Beautiful hut. It's became very cold, so I'm having hot tea. You people enjoy the beautiful weather. Okay guys, rain not yet stopped. Still it is raining little bit, but I have to go to home. I have to reach my home before it became big rain. So I don't know I will continue this video or not. I will just say goodbye to you, all of you guys. So guys, as always, ride safe, take care, and hasta la vista. Please guys, please hit the bell icon. I think you people are not getting notification of my videos, so I request you to please press the bell icon or hit the bell icon. That's it guys. I'll meet you in my coming video, next video. As always, ride safe, take care, hasta la vista. Bye bye.